Hi, this is Chris 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the MX Mechanical Mini with Clicky keys. This is from the Master Series by Logitech, and as you can hear, they're very clicky. There's three different types. There's clicky, tactile, and linear. Now, the new Mac version that just came out does not make the clicky sound. So if you want the clicky sounds, you'll have to just get the MX Mechanical Mini. But Mac users want to be quiet when they're working from home. Some want the extra clicky. Here is the Bolt adapter. The Mac version does not come with this because it's just Bluetooth connecting. And here's the charging cable right here, comes in the box. And the charging port is up here, right here. And the on-off switch is here. And as you can see, it's the blue switches underneath the keys right there. And it's backlit. And as you can tell right here, it's ready to connect up to 3 devices. So it's ready to connect to the first, and then you just press that one, and the third one, and so on, for multiple devices. And setting up and pairing is super easy, as you can see here in this box setup right here. So you take it out, you can do Bluetooth, or you can do the Logi Bolt, which I just showed you, and then you do that, and you're ready to go. Or to switch between the devices, maybe a smartphone, a laptop, or a tablet, you just click the device, and then you're connected. So they make it super easy. I really like the Logitech hardware. I've been using Logitech hardware with my Mac and PCs and my tablet devices for a very long time. I like their keyboards for the iPads, but the clicky sound is where it's at. So you can use Bluetooth or you can use the Logi Bolt that comes with it. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.